So now you guys can seamlessly change the dress of any image in just few clicks. And it's not just about the dresses, you can change anything inside of the image. And guess what? This is all for free. So what's this AI tool is? Let's find out. Okay, so this little gem is called the AnyDoor Ai, and this one is also from the Alibaba. Well, Alibaba is on fire these days because they have released bunch of different AI tools like the AnyDoor, Animate Anyone, Outfit Anyone, and bunch of different tools like this one. Now, this is their GitHub repository, and if I scroll down, if you want to make any changes to it, you can use it locally. It all depends on you. So this is called the AnyDoor Zero Shot Object Level Image Customization. So this is not just for the changing the dress. This is for all of the image manipulation. And how does it work? These are some of the examples. So you can see it in this example they changed the shirt of this lady, and in the very next example they placed that teddy bear kind of bag on the bedroom. So these are two different images and they merged both of these images together. And these are a couple of more examples. In this one they changed the hand movement of a Doraemon. In this example they changed a lot of other stuff. And if you want to download the checkpoints of the AnyDoor, want to use this inside of the Comfy UI or wherever you want to use it, you can download these models from here. Now let's talk about its access. So click on this hugging face. Well, you can also use this on a replicate, but most of the time it doesn't really work. So right now we are on the hugging face space. I will also leave the link in the description below. Now before moving forward, let's talk about our today's sponsor, AnyDoor Ai. Well, it's been a while. I'm into the crypto and I was also finding an AI tool that can help me analyze the crypto market for me. And then I found the AnyDoor Ai. So AnyDoor Ai is revolutionizing the market analysis in stock and crypto. Now let's talk about its standout features that sets it apart from the other market analysis tools. So the first feature is daily top 5 stock picks. So this tool gives you the very accurate and tailored recommendations, and they are not just the stocks, they are the results of a deep analysis highlighting the significant movements and pinpointing the prime buying or selling opportunities. Now moving on to the next feature, that is technical analysis. So AnyDoor Ai isn't just about the what, it's also about how. From Fibonacci to Bollinger Bands, it gives you the AI driven strategies that tell you how to trade, not just what to trade. Now last but not the least, the integrated financial data hub. And this is where AnyDoor Ai truly shines, and it gathers the information from all of the platforms, from company news and insights to SEC filing and even the YouTube content. And this is all summarized and accessible through a smart chat feature. And believe me, all of these features just blown away my mind. It's like having a financial analyst, data scientist, and personal advisors all in one tool. So the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check out the AnyDoor Ai. Now let's get back to our video. Now let's try something. So let's grab this example image of this lady and we have this shirt. So what we have to do, we have to make a selection of the area that we want to change or we want to replace. So let's change the shirt of this woman, and I'm gonna make a precise selection of that. So make a very precise selection. Now the same goes with the dress. So we also need to make a selection of the dress. So let's make a selection of that. Now once you're done with your selection, next we have to look at some of the settings. So these are the advanced settings. First of all, we have the control setting, which is by default set to the 1. You can also go all the way to the 2, but I think keep it around 1. And I'm also going to explain what it does. Then we have the number of steps that you already know that the higher number of steps improves the quality. Then we have the guidance scale and seed number. So here is the guideline. The higher guidance scale makes high fidelity, while lower guidance scale makes more harmonized blending. So only remember that keep the number of steps high and also keep the guidance scale around 10 to 11. And now hit run button. Okay, so these are the results and look at that. Just look at the texture, everything looks fine. Well, this was not a difficult image, it worked really good. Now let's try it with our own model and with our own dress. Just do the masking thing real quick and again hit run button. Okay, so these are the output results and it looks really good. So these are our initial images and these are the output results. And remember, I lowered the settings, so if the things are not working good, you can try changing the settings. Now let's try this one more example and we will try to put on this top on this lady. So again, make a selection of that. It's a simple process, only 2 steps process. So just make a quick selection and now again hit run button and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so here is the output results and now you can see it worked really well. Even the transparency, the texture, everything is totally maintained. and it looks really good. But we are not just limited to the clothes only. You can also try replacing the other things like cars or whatever object you want to replace inside of your video. You can also do that. So this is kind of image editing, but I think the clothing part works really good. And right now this is totally free, so you can try this out for free. So the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.